Hey, welcome my amazing student and future student. In this course here, I'm going to show you how to build an application just like this. And it's going to be a really awesome experience. Let me show you how it works. Let's say, for example, I have an expense to track here, right? Let's just say this is going to be for my cell phone. Let me make this a little bigger so that way you guys can see it. And I pay for my cell phone, let's say $100 a month, right? And today, this is the date for today. And this is going to be for utility, right? And then I'm going to add the expense, and you're going to see the expense right here. Okay. What I like about this application is that you can see this in a graph like this by category in a chart, and you can see the spending over time. So this is a really cool application. We can delete the expenses, of course, if we wanted to. And you can see that deleted. We get some notifications here. You can filter. So let's say, for example, I only want to see any expense that I created that we have in the 17, right? So I'll just go and click apply, and you can see only that expense, right? Maybe I want an expense from the 1st to the 17, right? And then I got 2 more expenses, and this is updated automatically. Really cool stuff, guys. You're gonna learn a lot on this, and this is a level up from the crash course that I got on here on YouTube. So you can look at those courses in the description of this video. I'm gonna have all those levels that you can take to guide yourself into which course you should take next and before this one. Alrighty? Anyway, guys, I hope to see you inside. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.